Hello. I'm working on a puzzle. Um, Several people told me that I should make another video, so this one's going to be just a short little. Do I know how to make a short video? I think maybe I'm too long-winded for that, but it's fine. I'm just going to make a general video about puzzles. I've seen a lot of people doing puzzles now because they're inside. I saw a post today of these kids that go to our co-op, and they put this puzzle together, and it was like marbles. They were all like kind of the same, and these two little kids put this puzzle together. I was super impressed. But she had a picture of all the pieces, and they were just like all jumbled together in the box lid, and I was like, oh my gosh, what a nightmare. Why would those kids think to put that puzzle together? I can't do a puzzle like that. So I'm going to show you how we do it. I'm going to maybe do like a better, more in-depth puzzle video at some point, but this will just give you a general overview because I tried to explain it to her in the comments and it doesn't totally make sense. So anyway, when we start a puzzle, and I do puzzles with my sister Renee and my mom, she does puzzles too, although she doesn't like all the puzzles that we do. Like, she doesn't like this one we're working on because all the puzzle pieces are the same shape. They're like the general, like, you know, 2 in, 2 out puzzle piece. Not all puzzles are like that. You know, sometimes they're bunches of weird, crazy shapes and stuff. But anyway, so I'll show you the one we're working on. This is it. It's got a house and some flowers and different colors in the sky and all that. So when we first open the puzzle box, we take out like handfuls of pieces and then we sort them. So the number of piles that we're sorting into, I should look at the camera, not myself. I hate when people make videos like that. Who are you talking to? Why are you looking down here? I need to talk to you. Sorry about that. Again, I don't know how to make videos. Anyway, so when we sort the puzzle pieces, the amount of piles depends on what's going on in the picture. So this one has these different things. So what we've done with this is we've sorted out the blue for the sky is one pile, the roof is one pile, the house is one pile, then the different colored flowers, maybe yellow flowers, white flowers, you know, like that. And then the edge, we sort out the edge also. So all of the little different sorted piles of pieces go into these handy little trays. We used to use boxes. I don't even know where we got them. They were like muffin storage boxes or something. I don't know. But anyway, so for my birthday, I think, Renee got me these handy storage trays. And they all stack together. See how cool that is? So that's got all of our pieces down in there. And yes, we have this no slip stuff in here so they don't slide around because, you know, if you bump the table, it's all your work goes down the drain. So anyway, so once we have those sorted, we then subsort. I know this is kind of a lot, but I love the sorting process. I like to put the puzzle together, but the sorting process is my favorite. I'm very like that. I like when John Paul was little, I used to go in and clean his room and I'd clean all of his Legos and I would organize those. Like, here's all of the one bump Legos, and then those go in a little Ziploc bag, and then here's all the 2 bumps, and those go in a Ziploc bag, and then all those Ziploc bags go into a bigger Ziploc bag. So that kind of thing is my favorite. So anyway, back to it. So then we subsort our pieces. Now, normally we would subsort them into different shapes, but this one doesn't have different shapes, like I said. However, I was able to figure out that you can see the different directions. Like this piece right here, this piece is horizontal in the puzzle. And then this piece is vertical. So those I sorted out separately. I'll show you that. See how these over here, those are all together. The different shapes are all together. And this is just a little puzzle to get us by, so we didn't totally sort because I would take it down even more to like, here's the all yellow, and here's the yellow with a little bit of pink in it, or, you know, that kind of stuff. Oh, and that's another thing. You have to decide what color trumps what. Whatever, that'll be for later. So anyway, that's how I do it. And so like this yellow, okay, these yellow pieces. So like down here, I'm working on these yellow flowers. So I know that my next piece here is going to be one of this shape, the horizontal, because see this one, that doesn't fit. So it's going to be one of these. And so I will take a piece that I think might possibly work. This one I don't think is going to work, but I will try it in all the available spots like this. So try it here, try it here. Oh, and this is another thing my mom doesn't like about these puzzles. They will fit even if they're not right. So I will try it in every available space down the puzzle, you know, like that. And then you can turn it over and try it on the way back. Now, one of the slogans is, don't waste the go-round. Like if you're working in a little square in a section, you got to try every piece, you know, every little part that it might fit in. Oh, this is fun. Look, I got a neat little halo. Anyway, so once I use this piece and I determine that it doesn't fit where I'm trying to put it in, then I can put it back in the thing. Can you see it? I don't know. I'm working at a weird angle here. Anyway, so I put it back in here and I know that I've already tried that one. And then I get another one. Try the next one and flip it over and try it again. And then I put it back over here. So that's basically how we do it. And we do a lot of puzzles, and I love it. So maybe this helps you. Oh, and sometimes this comes in handy. We have often talked about putting together a puzzle kit. It includes a giant spatula. I could tell you about that in a different video. And the magnifying glass. And as a joke, sometimes we say it will also include an X-Acto knife and like colored Sharpies, because this clearly does not go to this puzzle. I need to cut that part off and make that fit. All right, that's about it. So there you go. Do some puzzles, have fun. I hope that helps you a little bit. If it doesn't, if it's not your way, then fine. Don't do it that way. But if it does, there you go.